Today on DeRosa Driven, I'm cleaning up this rear axle, finally getting it ready for paint so I can reinstall it in the truck later on this week. By the time the paint dries, I should have the drive shaft back from being shortened, and I can reinstall everything together. Now, this may not have been my first choice for a rear axle, but if someone's giving you a 373 limited slip 8/8, you don't say no. I wasn't overly excited to see that it was a drum brake rear axle, but that just leaves more room for upgrades down the road. Well, I'm sure a lot of people are going to wonder how much I cut out of this axle and what I had to do to get it to fit. I didn't cut anything out of it. I just moved the perches. This is a complete factory width Ford Ranger 8/8. The pinion will be offset a little bit, but not enough to disturb anything. But I guess we'll find out. When grinding something like this, at a minimum, you want a respirator and glasses. This stuff can get nasty really quick. By now, I'm wishing I had a sandblaster, but I don't. So, I'd like to continue on and just get this over with. In the video, it's nice and quick, but this realistically took about an hour and a half, and it was horrible. It'll be nice to have the truck rolling again, because hopefully in about 3 weeks or so, the bodywork will be finished and it'll be ready for paint. This next tool you're going to see is pretty wild. It's something that every welder, fabricator, mechanic, or even general use homeowner should have. This tool will get you in the tightest spot that a grinder just would never make it. I'm going to do a separate video just on this tool. There are so many uses and everybody should have them. If you have an extra $400 laying around and really want to grind some rusty stuff. Now this rear axle was not in the best shape, but you can see this is where the leaf spring perches used to be. And by staying with the contour of the tube, it got it pretty smooth. You could run your fingers over it and not even know it was there. This is another area where this type of tool really shines. You would never get in here with a conventional grinder or any sanding disc. And finally, I was able to paint it, and she's looking decent. Here it is next to its factory blown up 7.5. If you like what you saw, like, comment, share, subscribe, and get ready for the next video.